Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Dr. Mink's best anti-aging tips. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be launching a new product that's available at the practice, and it has to do with hair restoration. So keeping with the theme, I know on Instagram you have noticed I've been posting a lot on hair restoration with regards to the scalp for both male and female. But today I'm going to be talking about eyelash rejuvenation. Next week, stay tuned. We're going to be looking at eyebrow treatments. So eyebrows and eyelashes are actually such a big part of our entire look. Having beautiful thick brows is very important, and most people are not really fond of having permanent makeup done. So this new treatment gives you that thicker brow, the darker looking brow, without having it microbladed or having permanent tattooing done. So stay tuned to that video next week. But today we're going to be discussing eyelashes. So there are two treatments at the practice. I offer eyelash lifting as well as your eyelash extensions. So eyelash lifting treatment, I think everyone should do. I absolutely adore that therapy. The reason is it lengthens, it straightens my eyelashes. So when I apply my mascara, it merely accentuates it. So if you have thinner lashes and you want that bit of length, have a lash lifting treatment done. So affordable. It's only 350 Rand, and it's about a half an hour treatment. And mine's going on for, I think, about 8 months now that I've had my treatment, and I don't think I'm going to have another one done just yet. So once a year should be fine. So lash lifting, 10 points to that. But lash extensions, I know I have to be honest, it's not my favorite treatment. I know that I have a lot of patients having lash extensions done, but honestly, I find that I lose a lot of lashes when I have the treatment done, as well as I can't keep up with the maintenance. So it takes a lot of time to do the lash treatments. It's a lot of time wasted on maintenance, and then my lashes also get damaged. So this new product is really, really fabulous. I have been looking for this product for the last year now, and it's the new magnetic lashes. So this serum or the liner actually has like a magnetic field with the magnets attached to the lashes, and you just stick them on. So easy to apply, and your lashes are still kept intact, and you still have the most amazing look the whole night. So hi guys, you can see that I've got my lashes on, and I love them. I love these new lashes. This is more the natural look. If you're looking for more volume to your lashes, then remember I am going to be giving this extra 2 lashes with the eyeliner. So in total you get 3 lash sets, and this pack is 750 Rand. Remember to like, share, tag as many people as possible, because we are giving away one of these sets to any lucky subscriber, and as well as one of my patients. So remember to tag, and please place your order through WhatsApp or email, because we are currently sold out. I know I've just launched it, but a few of my patients that I've mentioned it to, word spread, and now I don't have stock. So to avoid any disappointment, please email or WhatsApp your order through, do your EFT, and then we can have your stock available or delivered to you as soon as it arrives. Okay, bye guys. I will chat with you later, and please stay tuned to next week's video about eyebrows.